What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Naomi, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm bringing you guys this cute crochet halter top. As you can see, I had to wear it for the video because it was too cute. Honestly, really basic. There's no specific pattern. All you need to know is how to do a half double crochet, and you need a 5mm hook and a 3.50mm hook. But before we get into this tutorial, make sure you subscribe down below, pressing the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. So, you know, we have to do a little chit chat before we get into the video. First things first, if you guys have not checked out my Patreon, I'll have the link down below in my description box. Be sure to check that out. Second line of business, I'm almost at 30K, so I'm gonna be doing a giveaway really soon. More than likely I'll hit 30K, I think, at least by next week. Hopefully, fingers crossed. With that being said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway, so I want everybody to comment down below what you guys would possibly like to win. If you don't crochet, you can always win something that's crocheted by me. If you do crochet and you want yarn, like whatever y'all want, just let me know down below. If you watch me for other stuff, comment down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Oh, also, I haven't really been posting that much because, as many of y'all know who have joined on to my live stream, I've been a little bit cramped with orders right now, so I've been trying to push those out before I'm able to actually record a tutorial. But I know next time around, once I complete these, I probably won't take as many as I did, or I won't be taking them at all, just so I can put more time into getting these videos done, because they take a lot of time to edit and record them. Please do also let me know down below what you guys would like to see a video on. I always take suggestions. So that's really gonna be all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to keep on watching, comment below, tag me in your recreations. Let's get started.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
Hey y'all, so you're gonna need size 4 yarn, a 3.5mm hook, and a 5.mm hook. I'm gonna start with my 5.0mm hook and make a slip knot, as you can see right here. And you're basically gonna make a chain that's long enough to cover from rib to rib. So for myself, I did a total of 60. I could say honestly this would work as a medium, a small medium, either or. You can just take away a few chains or add a few here and there, depending on your size. So when you have the length that is best for you, you're going to chain 1 and insert a half double crochet into the previous stitch. Then you're just going to insert a half double crochet into each stitch till you reach the end. You're gonna chain 2 and you're gonna insert a half double crochet into the first stitch. Your chain up 2 does not count as a half double crochet, so please take note of that. So like I said, you're gonna insert a half double crochet into the first stitch and you're gonna work a half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the end. Basically, you're gonna repeat 5 to 6 rows with no increase or decrease. If you do want this longer and more of like a covered fit, obviously you would just add more rows for the basic starting off portion before you start decreasing. As you can see, I have my 5 rows. You're going to skip the first stitch and you're going to insert a half double crochet into the second stitch from the hook. This is going to make your work start to decrease on the ends. Now you can half double crochet 2 together or just skip a space like I do. It really doesn't matter. It's going to all do the same thing in the end. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and insert a half double crochet in each stitch till I reach the last 2 stitches. You reach the last 2 stitches, you're going to skip the second to last stitch and then go into the very last stitch and insert a half double crochet, chain 2, and you're going to continue to decrease until you reach 22 stitches across the top. So I just showed a video real quick to show you guys what it's looked like as you start to decrease. Like I said, you can add more in the foundation rows if you want a longer covered fit, or less if you want a more skimpier look. It's up to you. Once you have your 22 stitches, you're going to chain up 2 and insert a half double crochet into the first stitch. You're going to just work 3 consistent rows of no increase or decrease. So now to work the border, I'm going to switch to my 3.5 mm hook, and I'm just going to insert that in, chain 1, and turn my work to the side. And basically I always do this in all of my work. You're going to insert 2 single crochets on each double crochet space. So when you reach back to the top, you're going to switch back to your 5 mm hook and make a long chain of 350 to 400. It really depends on how big your back is, whether you'll have to do more or less, but I think 350 to 400 is a good safe number. You're going to go back and single crochet in each stitch till you reach the beginning. This is working the straps. So the way the straps are, it's going to crisscross around your back, and then like you can just tie it up that way. So you don't have to do like two unnecessary like chain stitches. But anyways, so as you can see, I'm approaching back to the top of my work. And once I finish that, I'm going to switch back to my 3.5 hook and finish off working the border. And then I'm going to repeat the same exact thing for the other side of the strap. Be sure to cut and fasten off your work. Also go back and sew in all of your loose ends so your work can look so crispy and so nice. And this little snippet right here is just going to show you how I connect the back part so that it crisscrosses how it's supposed to. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Also, be sure to tag me in your recreations because I love to see you guys' work. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It helps our channel grow here, you know what I'm saying, because we all want family. And the bigger we can grow my channel, the more creations I'll be able to put out for you guys. Like I said, I'm forever thankful for you guys. Thank you guys for helping me almost get to 30K. It's truly amazing, and it's kind of weird because like I never expected to grow this quick as I am. But yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.